Hello.
Welcome back to We Made It.
Welcome back. I'm BJ.
I'm Corey.
We are the Maze.
Yes, and today we're back, just like we promised.
As promised.
Can you believe it?
I can almost believe it.
With another cocktail using our chai syrup, spiced chai syrup from last time.
So good.
So today, what are we making?
We are making a Tipsy Chai cocktail.
So if you like chai lattes, this is sort of like an iced chai latte.
And I do.
But with booze in it.
That's right.
So, so a couple things. If you didn't watch last time's video, the previous video from this, which was a chai mule.
Yes.
Go check it out because the recipe for this syrup is there.
It is.
In that video.
And I will link back to that video in the description of this video.
So that's the weird thing you're going to need for this. The other thing we're using today that's a little prep, but it literally took me like 20 seconds to put it together.
Not that hard.
Is this chai sugar. And it's basically just sugar with chai spices. So like cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, cardamom, ginger, all those things. And you can use whatever you have on hand. If all you have is cinnamon, just make some cinnamon sugar, add in whatever other chai spices you like.
If you've got a full spice rack, then check the description. Right. We'll have a recipe for the one that we used. Apart from that, spicy sugar. That's what you're after, is spiced sugar.
Yep. So we are going to go ahead and get started. Now this is a shake.
It is.
But it has very few ingredients. We're going simple on you again.
Simple again.
Because we made some of the ingredients weird.
Right.
We're trying to keep the rest of it simple.
Got a couple fussy things, so the rest is going to be nice and easy. And I've already got ice in the shaker, so I'm going to go ahead and start adding, and I'm going to start with vodka. So we've got both vanilla vodka and whipped vodka.
Yep.
Vanilla, of course, tastes like vanilla. Whipped vodka tastes like whipped cream. Right. So it tastes very much like what we will be putting in a little bit, the whipping cream.
If you only have one or the other, you can go all that. Go for it. We just, we wanted to do both. So.
We like the mix.
We do what we want.
So we're making a double. And that means I'm going to do 2 ounces of each.
Yep.
Each of the vodkas, we would normally for single do 1 ounce of each. So 2 total ounces of vodka per drink. Yep. And I'm going to go 2 ounces of each for the double. So there's 2.
We're going to make it.
Just about time to get more vanilla vodka.
Religious.
2 ounces of you, 2 ounces of the whipped cream flavored vodka. This stuff just smells good. Like you open the...
smells like whipped cream.
It's wonderful. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's really nice. We've used that in a bunch of drinks, and we really like that. It's full of sugar, but that's okay. It's delicious. Corey's been giving this a little spin. This is our chai syrup that she referenced earlier. We're going to go with 1.5 ounces of this per drink.
Yep.
So I'm going to see if we have 3 ounces of this left.
Hopefully.
And we do.
Yay! Just barely.
Barely. Like, that's all it was left.
Let's use it all up.
Let me just put the rest in there. Well, whatever. All right.
That'll be
3 1/4.
You would just go with 3.
In it goes. Look at all that beautifulness.
Man, I'm going to make more already.
Finally, we are going to go with... You're not going to give me that last ingredient? We're going to go with, what did we say, 2 ounces per of heavy cream. So 4 total ounces of the heavy cream. And that'll help rinse out some of the last of the syrup as well.
And I am going to take a little bit, whatever's left of the syrup in here in the bottom, and use that for our rims here so that we can get the sugar to stick.
So while she decorates those glasses, I'm going to go ahead and get to shaking. And we'll be right back once the drink is...
too cold to hold.
Too cold to hold. We'll see you in just a sec.
See you in a minute. All
right. It's starting to freeze my hand.
You're going to whip the cream.
Yeah, almost seriously. Pretty soon it's going to be a meringue.
Yeah.
All right. So that's ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and attempt to do my Boston Shaker pour because... I'm still learning, but I'm getting kind of good at it. So
it's pretty full.
For those that are interested in the method for a Boston Shaker, you have these 2 pieces that have to work together. If you tip it such that there is a small gap on one side, And then the trick is you have to pour over with a little confidence. If you're tepid about it, then it'll just run down the side and onto the floor. You have to get it to horizontal pretty quickly and keep it there.
Which is why he does this.
You go right in and just start pouring. And then close it and lift it.
You didn't even drip. Look at that. All right, you ready for number 2?
Yep. So like that. And bartenders are good at this, and I'm only still learning, right? So in it goes.
We haven't had this shaker for all that long.
And close it and up.
All right. Good job.
Holy crap, I did it.
There, though. So clean that up with your finger.
Yeah.
Just use your finger. There you go. All right.
Spoiler, that's good.
Is it?
Yeah. Let's go ahead and dive in.
All right.
So here we have our Tipsy Chai cocktail.
Cheers.
Mm. Mm. Holy crap, that's so good.
Does it taste like an iced chai latte?
It tastes like an iced chai latte. Mm. While I was shaking, she finished putting the sugar on the rim and put ice in the glasses. And the sugar on the rim just makes it. Gets just a little bit of that.
It really does, because you can smell it.
Texture and the crunch and the smell.
Too. Yeah.
Mm. Oh, that is fantastic.
That's dessert.
Oh, yeah. It's very sweet.
That is dessert. Now,
I don't think I could drink like 10 of those.
No, this is like an after-dinner drink.
Yeah,
this is not a sit and drink 10 of them.
If I'm being perfectly honest, no drink is a sit and drink 10 of them.
This would be a great, after dinner,
Absolutely.
I just ate something, or even, this time of year, you want spicy fall flavors.
Yeah, oh yeah, this is great.
And that's what this is.
It is.
Oh, yeah. Oh, good. So if you're not like a pumpkin fan, this is a great drink for fall. Because so many things you go, if it's not pumpkin, it's apple cider.
Yes.
And if those aren't your thing, but you love chai, there you go.
This is a beautiful drink. Oh, that's so good.
Go make this.
Definitely do.
And tell us what you think.
Oh, yeah.
And make it, put it on Instagram and tag us, or on Facebook. And you can find us on those platforms. You can find us on Facebook.
At We Made It Cocktails.
Same on Instagram.
Correct.
You can find us on Twitter.
At We Made It Drinks.
Yep. And if you're watching this on Facebook, you can find us on YouTube.
You'll have to name search us for We Made It.
Yep.
Because the actual URL is some horrible thing that YouTube created themselves.
Yep. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can go find us on the socials.
Yep.
Link up with us, because we post some stuff and we want to know what you're doing. So
we do.
Tag us in stuff, please.
Send us ideas.
Or use our hashtag. Hashtag We Made It.
Oh, yes. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching the video.
Yep.
And make sure you check out our other stuff. Like it, subscribe, all that stuff.
Tell all your friends.
Tell all your friends. Both your friends. The one friend. Whatever it is you've got. And we'll see you next time.
On We Made It.
Cheers.
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 I just want to lick that off the plate. It's really good. I actually put some of that in my oatmeal.
Oh, did you?
Earlier this week. I sprinkled just a little bit on top.
How was that?
So it was really good.
This is why when my coworker Vasu used to bring in chai that his wife would make.
Like real chai?
Yeah, like proper masala chai. He would bring in a big thermos of it to share with the team. It was Chai Day Friday he would bring in. Every single Friday he would bring in chai to share, and we called it Chai Day Friday.
I love that. Okay, don't judge me.
I won't judge you until you roll up $100 bill and start snorting. Oh, those cold Bloomington winters, he'd bring it in and warms up the cockles of your heart.
Cockles. Huh?
It's important to have warm cockles.
We don't want to have cold cockles.
Nobody likes a cold cockle.
It was delightful.
And it's going to go straight to your head.
Probably.
Did that just give you the chills? Does that happen whenever I touch you?
No.
Oh.
You'll find on your oatmeal.
On your ice cream.
And you'll find a way to use it, trust me.
Yeah,
you could just lick it off the plate. you know.
Lick it off your loved ones.
Clean up your mess.
See what I did?
You did.
Look how messy I am. Goodness gracious.
So messy.
I didn't get as much reaction out of lick it off your loved ones as I expected from you.
I just passed right over that.
You were just like,
I'm
not
so
even
used to your dirtiness that it doesn't even affect me anymore.